Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade in a Funding Pips account. So first of all, before proceeding into this video, there is a quick disclaimer that this video is for educational purposes only and it is not at all a financial advice. So over here, you need to come on Funding Pips, the link of which you will find in the description box below. If you use that link for the very first time on purchasing any of the accounts on Funding Pips, you are going to get 20% discount. So over here on Funding Pips, you need to scroll down and choose your plan. So after selecting your plan here, simply click on the option of the buy challenge. Now over here, you just have to scroll down and then simply click on the option of buy now and conclude your payment. Now, once your payment is done, you are going to get access to your dashboard inside Funding Pips, which is going to look something like this. Now over here on this page, you need to simply click on the option of credentials. Then inside it, you will find the option of MT5. So you need to simply just select that. So after selecting MT5, you are going to see this type of, basically it is going to redirect you in a new tab where you can log in via Funding Pips inside your MT5 account. You can also just use those login credentials inside your MT5 mobile application if you want to basically trade with the help of mobile. So you are going to see this type of terminal in front of you where you will have the chart. In the right hand section, we have the symbols available. So among these symbols, you just have to select the one that you want to trade. For example, let's say I'm going to select the option of XUSD. So when you are here, you just have to simply launch the chart, and after launching the chart, you are going to see all of the tools that you can basically use here on top of your chart in order to analyze it. So after your analysis, you just have to simply decide whether you want to place a buy trade or a sell trade. So after deciding it, you just have to simply look for the option of new order here on the top. Then simply enter your quantity. For example, let's say you have entered the quantity of 0.01. After that, you need to select whether you want to sell from here or whether you want to buy from here. So depending on your choice, your market order is going to be placed and you are going to see your PNL here in the bottom. So this way you will be able to trade it. Now if you want to place a limit order, you can click on this drop down menu and then you can select whether you want to place a buy limit or a sell limit. So buy limit means if you are bullish, you just have to simply select the option of buy limit and then you can decide from where you want to take a buy. Similarly, if you are bearish, you can select the option of the sell limit. Then you can basically provide from where you want to put the sell position, and you can also decide your stop loss and the take profit, and then you can basically submit your order. So that's how you can basically trade in Funding Pips. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.